much of our understanding of the physical world is based on our knowledge of molecules and the way electrons move around protons. University of Michigan Associate Professor of Chemistry, Kevin Kubarich, is investigating fundamental questions of chemical and biological structure. So to better understand chemical transformations, he says keep a close eye on the molecular spectators closest to the action. They have the best view.
Chemistry is about trying to predict how molecular structure connects with the reactivity.
Kevin Kubarich leads a group that includes graduate student Carlos Baiz, closely examining movement around molecules. In a recently published article in the Journal of the American Chemical Society, co-authors Kubarich and Baiz put forth the results of intensive experiments that offer a new approach to examining chemical transformations. The research team prepares a complicated set of lasers and mirrors. By placing a chemical solution in the meticulously timed path of the laser, they provoke a chemical transformation.
The difference is, for us, the reactions that we're looking at are so fast that you can't visualize it with your eyes. And so what we did that was different was, rather than indirectly observing the interplay between the reactant and the solvent, was we were able to place directly into the very nearest solvent shell around the reacting species molecules that we could listen to, essentially, by listening to their vibrational frequencies.
Because this is quite a complicated experiment, we had to develop new techniques in order to be able to study this molecule. With that, we were able to do the experiment and get the molecular insight that we got from this project.
Every single molecule that's in solution has a solvent shell. It's simply the nearest neighbors. This piece here is the molecule that undergoes a chemical transformation. An electron essentially moves from one part of the molecule to another. Electron moves basically from the bottom of this molecule to the middle of it. And as it does, it changes the electric field environment inside the molecule, and then how that's sensed by the surroundings is what we're interested in looking at. So we can sense the vibrational frequency changes of those yellow molecules, and that change in frequency tells us how the charge has migrated inside this molecule.
A site there where the hydrogen bond to.
Right, like in there somewhere? Like
right,
in there.
like this. Yeah.
We need to continue to find new ways to transform energy. There's no way to create it, that's for sure, but we can certainly find new ways to transform it. What you can change is the rate at which the transformation occurs and how efficient it is. And that's why understanding the way reactions really occur on this very fast time scale is important. If you were doing a new kind of photovoltaic material, you might choose the film material that you use differently.
In the future, we would like to be able to understand more general reactions like cellular respiration type reactions or photosynthesis, reactions that are a lot more relevant to other people.